Asia Video Center. We have with us Dr. Ekta Narula, who designs beautiful and healthy smiles that last a lifetime. Well versed with cosmetic dentistry, she treats a number of patients internationally and nationally. Welcome, Dr. Narula. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you.
So what are the most common dental diseases that people suffer with?
The most common dental diseases that patients have are basically dental caries, and then there are these gum problems. But nowadays, since people are becoming more conscious, there are other diseases as well, more than these pathogenic diseases. People want to have a good smile, so they are very conscious about crooked teeth, spaces between teeth, stains on the teeth. So there are, other than caries and gum diseases, there could be trauma. So these are the most common diseases which people come across.
We've also heard a very common term, cavities. What exactly are cavities?
Basically, cavity is nothing but it is a result of dental caries, and caries happen because of our starchy diet that we take. There's a lot of acid produced which gets, the enamel starts breaking, and due to which these cavities develop, and once these cavities develop, then the process keeps increasing, it is irreversible. So gradually these cavities, they reach the nerve, and that's the time when the patient starts getting problems like sensitivity and pain, and that's the time they actually go to the dentist.
Okay. A lot of people suffer from bad breath. What is the solution and why bad breath?
Bad breath, the most common cause is basically a dental cause, and that is because of improper hygiene of teeth. Normally people don't brush their teeth properly, they don't know how to brush their teeth, either their technique is not correct or the duration of brushing is not correct, and due to which these deposits on the teeth, especially on your lower teeth, they keep accumulating with time, and that causes this calculus formation, plaque formation, and then gradually you start having gum diseases which causes bad breath. But nonetheless, there may be other reasons of bad breath, like it could be because of renal failure, diabetes, patients who have sinusitis, or some people will do mouth cleaning. So there may be a number of other systemic causes as well. So first we need to see what is the cause of the bad breath, and then we have to treat them accordingly. If it is because of a local dental problem, proper oral prophylaxis, or in your term, a proper cleaning is required. And if there is a systemic cause, then according to that we have to manage the treatment.
Okay. And how many times do we need to brush in a day?
I think everybody knows that we need to brush twice in a day, in the morning and in the evening. But very rarely I think people follow this norm. They normally brush only in the morning. And evenings, people, make it they just take it in a very lazy manner, but it's important to brush twice daily to maintain a good oral hygiene.
Okay. And do we really need to change our toothbrush every now and then?
Yes, we do need to change our toothbrush because it becomes hard, and once the toothbrush becomes hard, then there are chances of eroding your enamel, abrading your enamel. So you should change your brush once in 3 months at least. And you should use a soft brush preferably, and then the type of brush that is being used depends upon the particular requirement.
Okay, and heard a lot about tooth abscess. What exactly is that?
Abscess is nothing, it is basically infection, and tooth abscess is like abscess in a tooth, that is, there will be infection, there may be a pus or swelling in the gums, that is the surrounding tissues of the tooth. The tooth abscess could be because of a number of causes. The most common cause is a dental caries. When the dental caries reach the nerve, that is the pulp which is there inside the tooth, gradually nerve starts decaying and there is accumulation of pus on the root. This is the most common cause, but there could be other reasons why there is tooth abscess. There could be fracture, there could be some trauma, or an underlying gum disease due to which the abscess will be formed. So according to the cause, we have to treat the abscess. If it is because of caries, we will do a root canal treatment. If it is because of a gum disease, we will treat the gum disease accordingly.
Okay, and what is this? What are veneers?
Yes, veneers are now a very common term. People generally ask about veneers because, as I told earlier, people are very conscious about their smile, the way they look.
Yes.
And veneers are nothing but they are basically custom made ceramic or porcelain shells which we cement on the teeth. There can be other type of veneers also, like composite veneers. It's like a filling which is made in the form of a shell and it is custom made according to the patient's need. And veneers are mostly required for people who are in this glamour industry or people who are very conscious about there may be certain stains on the teeth that could be because of some diseases, and people who have crooked teeth or people who have spaces between teeth, veneers is a very good treatment option.
Okay, and lot of us are scared about root canal. A lot of us don't know what exactly root canal is. What is it?
Root canal treatment, everybody knows about it, but not very clearly. Basically, root canal treatment is done in cases in teeth where the cavities have already touched the pulp. That is, as from the patient's point of view, you will get to know about that you need a root canal is when you start feeling the sensation ki, I am having some cold sensitivity, I am having a sensitivity to hot things or sweet things, or there may be a sharp pain in the tooth, or it could be a dull pain also in certain cases. So basically what we do in a root canal is that we drill that particular portion of the tooth or crown and we remove the nerves. This is completely under anesthesia, local anesthesia, and once the nerves are out of the roots are completely disinfected and then they are filled with some material, and later on a filling is done on the tooth and then we put a crown on the tooth. So basically it is a very good technique which is there to save the tooth as far as possible. So dentistry is basically all about saving your own teeth. So root canal treatment is a very successful treatment, and nowadays it can be done in shorter sittings also. We can also do a single sitting root canal in certain cases. You need not require so many sittings.
Okay. And are implants common?
Now implants are very common and they are very successful also. And implants are basically if you have a problem of you're losing your teeth, so you need not wear those old-fashioned dentures, and even it's better than bridges, because even in bridges we have to use the teeth in front and behind. We have to reduce them and then take their impression and use them for replacing a tooth. But implant is a very good treatment option. It is basically a metal device which is surgically implanted in the bone. So it acts like the tooth root, and after it fuses with the bone, that is maybe a period of 2 to 3 months, and that also varies according to the patient, the time. Then we can place a crown on it, or we can use it for making implant dentures, or we can also use it for bridges. So it's a very successful and technique where we basically conserve the natural tissues, that is the bone, the teeth, as far as possible. So it's a very good treatment option which is available nowadays.
Okay. Doctor, tell us how often do we visit how often should we visit our doctors, our dentists?
Normally it's very important for everybody to visit the dentist at least twice in a year, that is once in 6 months. Because we do not know when we are developing cavities, we do not know what is the oral hygiene status of our teeth. So it's important that we should visit our dentist at least once in 6 months, so that if there is any cavity or if there is any deposits, we can get that regular cleaning and fillings done on time.
Okay. Thank you so much, doctor. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.